Hello student, in previous video I explained you about description list and image tag. Now today I will explain you about table tag. If you want to arrange data in rows and columns, means in tabular form, if you want to arrange the data in tabular form like this, then we use table tag. Means if you want to arrange the data in a tabular form, means in rows and columns, then we use table tag. Individual block is known as cell. Individual block is known as, table is divided into blocks and block is known as cell. So, and vertical lines is known as columns and horizontal line is known as rows. It means this table contains 3 columns and 4 rows, but first row contains labels, means columns name. I repeat, if you want to arrange the data in a tabular form, means in the form of rows and columns, then we use table tag. Individual block is known as cell and vertical line, means vertical partition, is known as columns and horizontal line is known as rows. In this table there are 3 columns and 4 rows, and in this example first row contains label of the column. Now how to create table? We use first tag, table tag. It is used to define the data as table data. Means table tag के बाद में आप जो भी tags use करोगे वो उसको table tag के तरह use करेगा. Now next, tr tag. It is used for creating a row. Next, td. It is used for table data, for example, for 1a 70, 2b 80, 3c 50, all are known as table data. Next, th. It is used for table heading. It means table heading means column heading. For example, roll number, name, marks, all are known as table heading. It means roll number, name and marks defined by the th tag. Mainly we use these 4 tags in table tag. First, table tag, it is a main tag that is used to create a table. tr, that is used to define a new row. Next, td, it is used to define table data. th, that is used to define table heading, it means column name. Now how to create? How to create this table using HTML code? First we use table tag. First we use table tag to create a table. Then for first row we use tr tag. Means in each and every row we use tr tag. Means if you want to open a new row, then we use tr tag. Then for first row we use th tag. Why? Because we create table heading. Then we use th tag. Then write down first heading, roll number, then th close, second th for second heading, name, then th close, then for third heading we use th, marks and th close. After creating all the table heading, we close first row. So close tr tag. Then open second row. To create a new row, we use tr tag again. Then to insert data in a table, we use td. Then write down first table data 1, then td close, then td second data for second row a, then td close, then third td for marks 70, then td close. Then after writing all the elements of second row, close tr tag. It means first row complete, first row is complete, second row is also complete. Now if you want to create third row, then again open tr, then td to td close and so on. Then close table tag and then close body tag and HTML tag. I repeat again, HTML tag is used to define page as HTML page, head tag, title tag. Title tag is used to give title of the web page. Then head tag close, body tag open. Then table tag is used to create a table. Then for each and every row we use tr tag. To create a row we use tr tag. Then in first row we want to create a table heading, means column name, then we use th tag. Then th, then write down the name of the column, roll number, th close. Then for second column name, again open th, then write down the name of the column, then th close. Then for third column th, then write down the name of the column and th close, then tr close. मीन्स सारे फर्स्ट रो का पूरा वर्क कंप्लीट होने के बाद में, सारे डेटा, सारी हेडिंग सीखने के बाद में क्या कर दिया, tr को क्लोज. देन फॉर सेकेंड रो ओपन tr टैग अगेन फॉर न्यू रो, देन td. if you then in second row if you want to insert data at the place of heading, then we use td tag, means table data. Then write down the data, for example roll number contain 1, then td close. Then and most important thing, write down the data in horizontal form, not in vertical form. मीन्स ऐसा नहीं है कि सारे पहले रोल नंबर इंसर्ट हो जाएंगे, फिर सारे नेम, फिर सारे मार्क्स. नहीं, पहले रोल नंबर, नेम एंड मार्क्स, देन न्यू रो, अगेन रोल नंबर, नेम एंड मार्क्स, देन अगेन न्यू रो, देन अगेन रोल नंबर, नेम एंड मार्क्स, देन td for name, then a, write down the name, then td close. Then for marks td open, then write down the marks and td close. Now second row का भी वर्क कंप्लीट हो गया. Then close tr tag and then again for third row again open tr tag. Then follow same procedure just like second row. For third row tr, then td, then write down 2 in roll number, then td close, then td, then write down b, then td close, then td, then write down 80 and then td close. Then again tr close. Then to open a new row again open tr and follow same procedure just like row number 2 and 3. Next, some attributes of table tag. Now attributes of table tag. First, bg color. bg color attribute is used to change the background color of the table. By default background color of the table is white. If you want to change the background color of the table, then we use bg color. How to use? table bg color equals to, then write down the color. For example, yellow. If you want to change the background color of first row only that contain table heading, then we use tr bg color equals to red. If you want to change the color of the each and individual cell, then we use bg color with td or th tag. I repeat, if you want to change background color of full table, then we use bg color with table tag. If you want to change the background color of individual row, then we use bg color with tr tag. And if you want to change the background color of each and individual column, means each and individual cell, then we use bg color with td and th tag. Next, second, align attribute. It is used to change the position of the table. Means if you want to display table on right hand side, then we use align attribute. Third, border. If you want to display border on table, then we use border attribute. How to use? Table border equals to 1 or any other value. If you want to display, then you write 1. Next, fourth, cell spacing. If you want to give space between cell, the cell, then we use cell spacing. For example, if you want to display table like this, means if you want to give space between the cell, this space, then we use cell spacing. Next, cell padding. Cell padding. If you want to give space between the cell value and the cell wall, मीन्स ये सेल की जो बाउंड्री है और इसके अंदर जो वैल्यूज होती है, इनके बीच में अगर स्पेस देना है, देन वी यूज सेल्स पैडिंग. आई रिपीट, सेल्स पैडिंग इज यूज्ड टू गिव स्पेस बिटवीन सेल वैल्यू एंड सेल वॉल, एंड सेल स्पेसिंग दैट इज यूज्ड टू गिव स्पेस बिटवीन द सेल्स. अगर एक दूसरे सेल्स के बीच में स्पेस देना है, देन वी यूज सेल स्पेसिंग, और कंटेंट और सेल के बीच में स्पेस देना है, देन वी यूज सेल्स पैडिंग. नाउ आई विल एक्सप्लेन यू टेबल टैग प्रैक्टिकली. सो फर्स्ट ओपन नोटपैड, टाइप नोटपैड इन सर्च बॉक्स and open notepad, then write down first tag HTML, then head, then title of the web page, for example table, then title close, head close, then write down body tag, then use table tag. Table tag is used to create a table. Next, for row we use tr. In first row we want to insert column heading, then we use th tag. Th, then write down column name, for example row number, then th close. Then for second heading again open th for same row, then write down name, then th close. Then for third column again open th, then write down marks and then th close. After writing all the column name, close tr tag, means close row, first row work. Now for second row again open tr tag, then use td. Because you insert data in the table, so use td tag. Then write down roll number first, then td close. Then in second row, second column name, write down name, for example abc, then td close, then td, then write down marks, then 70, then td close and tr close. Then for third row, means to insert second record of the table, means to insert record of roll number second, we open again tr tag. Then to insert data use td, then second roll number, then td close, then td, then write down name, for example x y z, then td close, then td for marks, then write down marks, for example 60, then td close, then tr close and then table close. After creating all the rows and all the columns, close table tag, then close body tag and then close HTML tag. Now press Ctrl S to save a file. Select the location where you want to save your file, then click on desktop and type the name of the file, for example exp2.html, and then click on save. Now minimize the notepad window and right click on exp2 and open with Google Chrome or Internet Explorer, any one, depend on you. See the output. One table is created, roll number, name and marks. Now if you want to display border, then we use border attribute of table tag. If you want to display border, then use border equals to, then write down 1, Ctrl S, Alt tab to open Google Chrome and press F5. Now border will be displayed. Now if you want to change the position of the table, first attribute of the table tag border, it is used to display border. Next align, it is used to set the position, it means left, right and center. If you want to display table on right hand side, then we use align equals to right, then Ctrl S to save a file, Alt and tab and press F5. Now the table will be displayed on right hand side. If you want to change the background color of the table, by default background color will be white. If you want to change the background color, then we use bg color attribute. Bg color equals to, then write down the color that you want to assign. Bg color equals to pink. Ctrl S to save a file, Alt tab and open Google Chrome and press F5. And now see the changes, the background color will be changed. One more thing, if you want to change the background color of first row, it means roll number, name and marks. If you want to change the background color of the first row, then we use bg color attribute with tr tag, bg color equals to yellow. Control S, Alt tab and open Google Chrome and press F5. Now see the changes. The background color of first row will be changed. Next, if you want to change the background color of each and individual cell, means for example if you want to change the background color of ABC name, मतलब कि जो ABC नेम लिखा हुआ है सिर्फ उसका बैकग्राउंड कलर चेंज करना है, मतलब कि एक पर्टिकुलर कॉलम का, एक पर्टिकुलर सेल का, देन यूज BG कलर विथ TH और TD tag. For example, if you want to change the background color of ABC, then in TD tag of ABG write down BG color equals to red. Control S to save a file, Alt and tab and press F5, and now see the changes. The background color of ABC will be changed. Now if you want to display space between the cells, देखो जैसे अभी आपके सेल्स जो हैं उनकी सारी की वॉल्स जो हैं वो एक दूसरे से कनेक्टेड है. इफ यू वांट टू डिस्प्ले द स्पेस बिटवीन द सेल्स वॉल, मतलब कि सेल्स वॉल के बीच में स्पेस चाहिए, देन वी यूज सेल स्पेसिंग. सेल स्पेसिंग इक्वल्स टू जितनी भी स्पेस चाहिए, फॉर एग्जाम्पल 5 पिक्सल, देन राइट डाउन 5. कंट्रोल एस, ऑल्ट टैब टू ओपन गूगल क्रोम and press F5 and see the changes. The cell space will be display, means space between the cell. If you want more space, then write down 20 at the place of 5. Control S, Alt tab and press F5 and see the changes. Space between the cells. Now if you want to display space between the सेल वैल्यू एंड द सेल वॉल्स, मतलब कि जो सेल की बाउंड्री है और उसके अंदर जो वैल्यू है, अभी देखिए अब सारी वैल्यूज जो हैं वो बिल्कुल बाउंड्री के टच होते हुए शो हो रही है. जैसे 1 and 2 है वो बाउंड्री पे है, 70 and 60 ABC XYZ ये सारे बाउंड्री के टच होके शो हो रही है. इफ यू वांट टू डिस्प्ले स्पेस बिटवीन द वैल्यूज एंड द सेल वॉल्स, देन वी यूज सेल पैडिंग एट्रीब्यूट ऑफ टेबल टैग. Cell padding equals to, then write down the space value in pixel. Control S to save a file, Alt and tab and press F5. Now see the changes. Space between 1 and the boundary of the cell, space between ABC and boundary. If you want more space, then write down 20 at the place of 10. Control S, Alt tab, press F5. Please see the changes carefully. Now see the changes. Now if you want to change the, if you want to change the border width, then at the place of 1 use other value in pixel, for example 10. Control S, Alt tab and press F5, and now see the changes. Border width will be changed. If you want to change the border color also, then use border color equals to, then write down the color that you want. Control S, Alt tab and press F5, and now see the changes. The border color will be changed. Now one more attribute of table tag frame equals to left, above. Control S, Alt Tab and press F5. Now see the changes. When we use frame attribute in table tag, then frame attribute is used to specify which border you want to display. मतलब कि आप कौन सा border display करना चाहते हो from outside border, मतलब कि outside border में से आपको कौन सा, जैसे मैंने लिखा above, तो ये सिर्फ above वाला border display हो गया. When you write below, then only below border will be display. For example, when we write below, then Control S and Alt Tab and press F5. अभी देखिए above वाला हो रहा है, F5 करते ही देखिए below वाला border से display हो गया, above वाला border जो है वो हट गया. इसी टाइप से if you want to display left hand side border, then we use LHS. अगर आपको राइट हैंड साइड बॉर्डर यूज करना है, देन यू राइट RHS. Control S, Alt Tab, F5 and now see the output. When you write H sides, जो हॉरिजॉन्टल साइड्स हैं उनके बॉर्डर्स डिस्प्ले हो जाएंगे. Control S, Alt Tab, F5 मीन्स above and below. अगर आप लिखोगे V sides तो वर्टिकल जो साइड्स है मीन्स लेफ्ट एंड राइट, वो दोनों बॉर्डर डिस्प्ले हो जाएंगे. कंट्रोल एस और टैब F5. देखिए लेफ्ट एंड राइट बॉर्डर विल बी डिस्प्ले. व्हेन यू राइट बॉक्स, कंट्रोल एस और टैब F5, देन ऑल द बॉर्डर विल बी डिस्प्ले. सेम एज, ये तो हो गया इनसाइड बॉर्डर. आउटसाइड बॉर्डर्स के लिए, हमने यूज किया था फ्रेम. इसी टाइप से होता है रूल्स. In rules, when we write rows, then and Control S to save a file, Alt Tab and open Google Chrome and press F5, then the only rows border will be display, only rows border. If you want to display column border at the place of rows, then use cols value, COLS. Control S, Alt Tab, F5 and see the changes. Only column borders will be display. I repeat, frame attribute is used to display outside border and rules attribute is used to display inside border. Frame attribute contain above, below, LHS, RHS, S side, V sides and box value, and rules value contain rows, columns and all. Means if you want to display all border, then you write all. Control S, Alt Tab and F5. Then all the border will be display. If you want to display rows, then write down rows. If you want to display rows border, then you write rows. If you want to display columns border, then you write cols. If you want to display all border, then you write all in rules. Means rules is used for inside border.